Hello everyone, this is teacher Hoda. Our lesson today is about comparatives and superlatives. Comparatives and superlatives. Here we have three apples. 1, 2, 3. The first one, apple 1. Apple 1 is big. What about apple 2?
Apple 2 is bigger than apple 1.
Apple 2 is bigger than apple 1, bigger than. What about the third one, the third apple? Which apple is the biggest one?
Apple 3 is the biggest one up.
Apple 3 is the biggest one. So we have big, bigger, biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. Okay? Here we have three dogs. Dog 1, 2, 3 from the left. Okay, dog 1 is big. Is big. What about
dog 1 is big?
What about dog 2?
Dog 2 is bigger than dog 1.
What about the third dog? Which dog is the biggest one? Which dog is the biggest one?
Dog 3 is the
biggest
one.
Dog 3 is the biggest dog. So we have big, bigger, the biggest. Big, bigger, the biggest. Okay? Here we have the tortoise is slow. The tortoise is slow. What about the caterpillar? The caterpillar is
slower than the turtle.
It's slower than the turtle. Slower than the turtle. And which one is the slowest? Which one is the slowest?
The leopard is
the snail. The snail is the slowest one. The snail is the slowest one. So we have slow, slower, the slowest. Slow, slower, the slowest. Okay? Okay, this man from the left. This man is old. He is old. What about this man, man 2? He is
older than this man.
Yes, he is older than man 1. Okay, the first man. He is older than the first man. And which one here is the oldest one? This woman. This woman is the oldest one. She is the oldest one. She is the oldest person. She is the oldest person. So we have old, older, oldest. Old, older, oldest. Okay, here also we have three apples. Which apple 1 from the left is big. What about apple 2?
Apple 2 is bigger than apple 1.
And which apple is the biggest one? The third apple? Apple 3 is the biggest
one.
The biggest apple. The biggest apple.
Apple 3 is the biggest apple.
So we have big, bigger, biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. Okay? Big, bigger, biggest.
Big, bigger, biggest.
Okay. Here we have three boys. Boy 1 from the left, he is funny. He is funny. What about boy 2? He is
boy 2. He is funnier than
boy 1. He is funnier than boy 1. And which one is the funniest? Which boy here is the funniest?
Is the funniest boy.
Boy 3 here is the funniest boy. He is the funniest boy. Okay. So we have funny, funnier, funniest. Funny, funnier, funniest. Okay?
Funny,
funnier, funniest. Okay, here we have two girls and boy. The first girl is sad. She is Sad. She is sad. What about the second girl? She is
The second girl is sadder than
the first
first
girl. She is sadder than the first girl. And here, which one is the saddest one?
This boy is
The
saddest one.
Oh, the saddest.
And the girl.
The saddest person or the saddest boy. The saddest boy. Okay. So we have sad, sadder, saddest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Okay, here we have three boys. Which one is fat? The first boy.
The first boy is fat.
The second boy.
The second boy is fatter than the first boy.
And which one is the fattest one? The third. The third boy is the fattest one. The third boy
is the fattest one.
So we have fat, fatter, fattest. Fat, fatter, fattest. The first boy is fat. The second boy is fatter than the first one. He is fatter than. And the third one is the fattest one. Here we have three boys. The first boy
is
strong. The second boy is stronger.
The second boy is stronger than the first boy.
Which boy here is the strongest one? The third boy
is stronger.
The strongest boy. The strongest boy. Don't forget that. The strongest boy.
The
Strongest boy. So we have strong, stronger, strongest. Strong, stronger, the strongest. The first boy is strong. The second boy stronger than the first one. And the last one is the strongest. Here we have three girls. The first girl is from the left. She is short. She is short. What about the second girl?
The second girl, she is shorter than this girl.
Yes, she is shorter than the first girl. So we have the first girl is short and the second girl is shorter than the first girl. Shorter than. What about the last one? Which girl here is the shortest girl? Which one is the shortest girl?
The third girl is shortest.
Don't forget that. The shortest girl. Okay. Here we have loud, louder, loudest. Here the first girl
is loud.
Has a loud voice. Yes, she is loud. She is loud. What about the second one? She is louder than the first one. She is louder than the first one.
She is louder than the first girl.
What about which girl here is the loudest one and has the loudest voice?
The third girl is
the loudest. The loudest girl. Okay, and there are exceptions. Bad. Can we say better? No. Bad, worse, the worst. Bad, worse, the worst. Bad, worse than the worst. Okay? Yeah, but we can't say badder. We can't say better. We can't say better. So, bad, worse than the worst. Bad,
worse, the
worst. Bad, worse, the
worst.
Okay, yeah, but we can't say better than. We can't say better than. We say what? Worse than. And we can't say the baddest. We say the worst. Also good. Can we say gooder? No. Better. Good. Better. The best. Good. Better.
The best.
Can we
Good,
say
better, the best.
Can we say the goodest? No, the best. The best. So good, better, the best. Good, better, the best. So these are two exceptions in comparatives and superlatives. Good, we can't say gooder. We say better. We say
better.
يبقى good better, and we can't say the goodest, we say the best. The best. For example, Rened is the best. Rened is the best. Or Rened is better than Ahmed. Okay, so good, better, the best. Thanks a lot.
Bye.